Jammin JD Sports Cards bringing you another retail break of Topps Fire 2014. It's a new product. It looks really nice. We have broke a little bit of it. We did a blister already. We've done a bunch of packs. And we want to do some blasters for you guys. So we have 2 blasters here. 7 packs plus an extra pack. So we got 8 packs, 64 cards. Get the focus in there. Or not. There we go. And there's no guarantees. Here are odds, a lot of parallels, chance for autographs, relics, auto relics, jumbo patches, combo patches, all kinds of stuff. So, some good things to come out of it, but like I said, there are no guarantees. So you're paying 20 bucks, and not really sure what you're going to get. So that's why we're doing this. We're going to do 2 boxes, give you an idea. The blister box is pretty good. We got a lot of cards. There's actually more cards than this for half the price. But I'm assuming that you're going to get more numbered cards, more inserts, and better odds of getting relics and autos from the blaster boxes. If you haven't seen the hobby yet, hobby is really nice. You're getting 4 hits per box out of those. And as you'll see in just a second here, the cards are beautiful in this. Good way to start it. Barry Sanders base card. Come on, focus in. Does not want to focus. There we go. Barry Sanders, Troy Aikman, nice. Terry Bradshaw, Jason Witten, die cut. Brandon Cooks, this is Forged by Fire. Really nice looking card. It's going to be a cool looking set. Definitely one, if you collect the full thing, it'll look nice. Here's the rainbow foil. As you can see, it's got that rainbow effect. Kind of like a refractor, but a little different. But it is nice. I like them a lot. Zach Stacy, Dan Marino, and Joe Namath. All kinds of old school guys in that pack. That's what I like to see. C.J. Spiller, Silas Reed, Jamal Charles, Freeman, Peyton Manning, and Drew Brees. That's a nice looking insert. Competitive Fire. Very cool. They're just great looking cards. Logan Thomas, rainbow foil, and Ndamukong Suh and Fitzgerald. This is definitely up there with Valor as far as design for this year. They did a really nice job. Teddy Bridgewater, Andrew Luck, Blake Bortles rookie card. Another insert. I like these. Got the meteor shower going on. Some planets in the background. Jordan Matthews. Josh Huff is the rainbow foil. Doug Martin and Jeremy Hill. Clay Matthews, Mettenberger rookie, Richard Sherman, Jordan Matthews. Our first numbered card, 25 of 499, Randall Cobb. Get the serial number in there, maybe. Boy, the camera does not like me today. You can see it there, 25 of 499. Sweet. Rainbow foil, John Elway, Eddie Lacy, and Devontae Adams. I wonder what they're actually calling that parallel. Let me see here. I was hoping it would show it on the back. I don't know. We will find out soon. Peyton Manning, Aaron Murray, Giovanni, Garoppolo, Ellington, Marquise Lee, rookie. Is that cool? 1 per pack insert. Tom Savage, parallel, whatever you want to call it. So no hits yet. Clinton Dix, Gronk, Alshon, Steve Young, T.Y., Russell Wilson, Eli Manning and Jarvis Landry. 2 packs to go out of the first box. Brett Favre, Foster, Carlos Hyde, Frank Gore, Brandon Cooks, Colin Kaepernick, JPP, and Allen Robinson rookie. Nick Foles, Kadeem Carey, Joe Flacco, McKinnon. Another nice insert, Terrence West. Bishop Sankey, Dez, and Andre Johnson. So there's the first blaster. There were more inserts than the blister box, but obviously less cards and still no hit. So let's see if we get a hit out of the second box. Logan Thomas, Zach Stacy, Trey Mason, Julius Thomas, LaShawn McCoy, that's numbered to $2.99. 30 out of $2.99. Nice card. Crabtree, Jokel, and Terrence West. Oh, there we go. There's a hit. Oof. Look at that. That is a sweet card to get out of a blaster box. 331 of 500, Terrence West. And look at that patch. That's a nice patch. Sweet. All right, so the hits are good. Jordan Cameron. Keenan Allen. Antonio Brown. Barry Sanders. Troy Aikman. Terry Bradshaw. We kind of seen that pack, haven't we? Zach Stacy, foil. Forte, and there's Johnny Manziel. Jason Witten, C.J. Spiller, Silas Reed, Jamal Charles, Forged by Fire, Jarvis Landry. Love those die cuts. Good looking card. Logan Thomas, Marshall, and Percy. 4 packs to go. So we did get a hit from the blaster boxes. So that is nice. And it was a very nice hit. There's a nice card. Sammy Watkins. There's that insert with the comment in the background, or meteor shower. Bo Jackson. Sweet. In the rainbow look. There's Emmett. I was wondering when we were going to run into him. That goes to the PC. Stays at home with me. Love it. Blake Bortles. Clay Matthews, Mettenberger, Richard Sherman, Martavis Bryant, that's number to $4.99, 464 of $4.99, nice card. Von Miller's a foil, James White, and Aaron Rodgers. So if you're trying to collect a set and you don't want to buy a hobby, I would definitely go with the blister boxes. If you're looking for hits and you don't want to buy hobby, obviously go with the blaster boxes. I think those would be the best bets for whatever you're looking for. Sammy Watkins, Jordy Nelson, the last pack. Follow us on Twitter at JamminJDCards if you want to hit us up, chat with us, ask questions, whatever you want to do. Also check out our website, JamminJDCards.com. Old breaks, new breaks, retro packs, all kinds of good stuff on there. We even have stuff for sale. Vincent Jackson, and Vincent Jackson again, and Bo Jackson. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and take care.